If you have high cholesterol and are cooking with any of these common butter and fat products every day, your arteries are being silently clogged with every single meal you prepare. Most seniors with high cholesterol never suspect that their cooking fat is one of the biggest hidden drivers of their rising LDL numbers. Here are the 4 butter and fat products you must stop cooking with immediately. Number 1, regular salted butter. Regular salted butter is packed with saturated fat that directly builds dangerous arterial plaque with every meal it touches. Just 1 tablespoon delivers 7 grams of saturated fat, nearly half your entire safe daily limit in a single cooking measure. Number 2, margarine sticks. Margarine sticks contain hidden, partially hydrogenated oils that produce artificial trans fat, silently raising your bad LDL cholesterol every time you cook with them. Trans fats are so dangerous for cholesterol that even tiny daily amounts measurably increase arterial plaque buildup over time. Number 3, clarified butter in excess. While ghee has some nutritional benefits, using it in large daily amounts delivers a concentrated saturated fat load that overwhelms cholesterol regulation in seniors over 55. Number 4, coconut oil butter blend. Coconut oil butter blends raise bad cholesterol faster than regular butter because they combine 2 separate sources of saturated fat in every single spoonful. Here is your solution. Replace all 4 immediately with extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil for cooking. Both lower LDL cholesterol actively rather than raising it, and are available at every American grocery store today. Switch your cooking fat today, and your cholesterol numbers will begin responding within weeks. Subscribe for more such life-saving videos.